The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Jefferson County in east central Ohio, northeastern Belmont County in east central Ohio, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, north central Marshall County in northern West Virginia, south central Brooke County in northern West Virginia, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Wheeling, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball-sized hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Wheeling, Martins Ferry, Bel Air, Warwood, Bethlehem, West Liberty, Philadelphia, Clearview, Valley Grove, Shady Side, McMicken, Chiltonsville, Bridgeport, Benwood, Yorkville, Brookside, Neffs, Elm Grove, and Clinton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.